Why you walk past it and then look over? Yeah, recording.
Hi, subby, little creatives and...
Start over.
Why?
Because I just pushed the button.
Wait, how does my face look? Is it like a shadow?
No, it's bright.
Hello, little creatives and subby buddies.
Take 3.
I don't know how Tristan does it. Hello, little creatives and subby buddies. We are doing something very different on our channel today. Tristan is not here with me. I am his mom, Mrs. Milkshake, and I am in front of the mom because one of the subby buddies have requested we do something different on our channel, and that is find and toy hunt for some Funko vinyl pop. We don't know what to get yet. We're just gonna go along with the flow. So after we are done shopping, you guys are gonna follow us at home, and we are gonna what?
Unbox them.
And we're gonna get Tristan Creative to unbox them for you guys. So he doesn't even know what we're gonna get. It's gonna be a big surprise, okay? So shout out to Gabreal FUNKO. He's gonna be in the comment section. He's always watching our videos, and he's a great supporter and great subby buddy. Okay, let's go. Follow me. Who's this stranger in front of him? Hey, mister, can you move? You're like in my YouTube here.
Oh look, you're rubbing, bitch.
Ooh, it's Chucky, you guys. So Gabriel, what do you want us to reveal on the channel? We have Chucky. Who's that?
Wrestling. He's old school.
Baby, look. Look.
Yeah, they're shiny.
Oh my gosh. You see that red lettering? It's like,
yeah.
What? Rum. It's like blood. What?
Red rum. It says red rum.
What do you guys think red rum is? It's actually murder spelled backwards. But I don't know if we can say that on YouTube, so red rum. Red rum. Red rum. Oh, look. Catwoman. It's Catwoman, and look at her cat glasses. She's super cute. It's Norman Bates. This is like my favorite show.
Oh, this is from the original Psycho.
Oh.
Not the basement show.
That looks pretty cool. Is that like a Funko Pop collection thing or something different? Oh, it's a different brand. Yeah, I really like that. Do you guys like that? Let us know in the comment section down below. Arnold! It's Arnold! Look, I think this is a toaster. Bagel, anybody? Aww! Look! That's so cute!
That's Sophia.
Oh, that's so cute! I used to watch this.
That's the old lady.
The one that like, oh, the old lady, the oldest lady.
Yeah.
Yeah. So
here's the rest of them.
Let me see. Are they still all alive?
No.
And look at you guys, it's Lord of the Rings. Frodo Baggins, and it's clear. He's clear, you guys. It's when he's invisible. Call of Duty.
Oh, they got the monkey bomb.
See, that's what you need for the collection, and then you gotta just find it. But they don't sell them as sets here at Barnes & Nobles, I don't think.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. They don't sell it.
Poison Ivy. I like her. I want to be her. My gosh, you guys, we even have more on this side. Look. at his spots.
Oh, that's Tekken. Yeah, that's Tekken King.
I like him. Aww. Look at that. This is cuteness overload, you guys. I keep saying cute, cute, cute. You guys, I've been eyeballing this unicorn pajama type overall. What is it? I've been eyeballing this one. I want to be a unicorn for our toy reviews, and Tristan, I want him. We've seen the shark one. I might grab that. Hey guys, we are now in GameStop, and look at these sets. I'm gonna turn up the ISO. Pretty cool, huh? So glare. Rocket and Mega Man. This is Ultron and Sigma. Captain Marvel and Chun-Li. Gamora versus Strider. It's My Little Pony. Tristan's probably gonna be like, no, mom. Look, guys. Look familiar? Oh, look at this. Oh, it's Knuckles. That's what Kenneth named Knuckles after him. Our dog is named Knuckles. Anybody have a Nintendo Switch out there? Tristan has a Nintendo Switch. Play with him. How about Five Nights at Freddy's sister location? Would you guys like to see that? This is Baby, Ballora, Jackal Chica. And we also have a subby buddy named Victorans. He actually animates these. He does his own animation, so check his channel out, you guys. Good, look what I found.
Oh, Future Trunks.
Yeah, we gotta get it. Look, you guys. Future Trunks. Guess who was almost named Trunks in the family? Babe. You want to explain that story?
Yeah, Kenneth.
Kenneth. Their daddy wanted to name them Trunks, and I was like, no! They're gonna call them boxers.
$38.
And the Roblox cards are activated, right?
Yep.
Okay, just checking. Thank you.
Thank you.
All the way up there on the
Because they don't want anybody to reach it. Oh my gosh, you guys, we gotta climb all the way up there. Look, guys.
And the Future Trunks one is pretty cool.
Oh, we have that one. Game download.
Huh?
It says free game download.
Yeah, it's like a game.
Huh?
It's a game. Right, Bendy and the Ink Machine, isn't that a video game?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a video game. Okay, subby buddies, we are at the end of our vlog. And we went to so many places today. I got a little bit of something for myself. Look, you guys. Those are the Funko Pop vinyl collection that we're going to start reviewing on our YouTube channel. Ever want to start collecting the Pop vinyl figures? Go to Hot Topics. They're a little bit pricey over there though. But you guys can't believe what we found over there. You guys are going to be in shock because Tristan doesn't really mention this game on his channel or the toy or anything, but you're in for a surprise. And okay, for that amazing suggestion, we've been wanting to do something different other than Roblox on our channel, and that was the perfect opportunity. So thank you, Gabreal FUNKO, for your amazing support. Okay, see you guys at home in 3, 2, 1, boop.